Hello, my name is Dan, and today I'd like to talk about my experience with LeafFilter. I had found LeafFilter through just searching through the internet because our gutters needed some help with, there's a lot of kind of like jams and had other issues that just needed work. And so we're looking for a good company to help us out. And I was just looking online, and then all the reviews I saw from LeafFilter showed that it was, very great company to work with. So we had a salesman come out, and he brought a brochure, like a folder, and it just went over like everything that they do and explains like the steel mesh that they put into the filters. And just what my wife and I really liked is that they have like 2 lifetime warranties. So that goes like for the existence of our home. And if we were going to sell our house, like that would transfer over to the new property owner. Also, if it ever were to get clogged, they said they would completely replace or repair it at no cost. So the salesman said he would come out, and he did a really nice job of, I'm saying that the workers need to get to work because it was in the wintertime, didn't have as much work. And then when the contractor came out, he did everything nicely, got everything complete. He was on time. And the issue I would say is like the salesman had quoted on the fascia, like the board that needed replaced, only like 1 board, but then the contractor said that there's actually like additional parts that needed to be fixed. So we did have to pay a little extra money, and we actually just worked directly with the contractor just to help save money. But besides that, the salesman did give a lot of discounts, and because of the winter time, and we just expressed that we were kind of like looking to try to save as much money as possible. But overall, a pretty good experience with LeafFilter, and I'd recommend them to anybody else.